This 2015 Smart fortwo electric drive is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2015 Smart fortwo Passion has only 7,169 miles, is a one-owner with a clean Carfax history, and the previous owner took great care of the vehicle and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected, everything was up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this fortwo Passion runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the total electric powered engine, which not only gets the best mileage ever, but has proven very dependable. This 2015 Smart fortwo Passion comes with power windows, power locks, air conditioning, CD and dash player, alloys. This is one nice vehicle for everyday commuter driving. Many more pictures of the vehicle is available on. Visit us at jmmotorslebanon.com.